So today we're going to make this cool little holographic Easter garland. So I found this cool iron-on vinyl that was holographic, so it was really fun the way it changes color, and it's transparent as well. So you want to take two pieces and put them wrong sides together, so it's kind of the brownish side so that the holographic blue side is out. And then wrap them in some brown paper and iron the two pieces together. And then take whatever template you're going to use. I do have a pattern for this one you can download. Put some tape on it and stick it to your freshly ironed vinyl. And then just cut out all your templates out of the piece of vinyl. Then pull off your template. And you'll have your little vinyl guy. It catches the light. If you hold it up to the light, you can see it's transparent, it's iridescent, and it changes from pink to purple to blue. It's really cool and fun. And so I've got 3 different ones. I got 2 rabbits and an egg. Those are all the different pieces. And another option, if you don't want to use that much vinyl, you can just iron these onto some cardstock, but they won't be as clear as, like, this is one of the ones where I've ironed the 2 pieces of vinyl together. So if you iron the vinyl together, it's clear. If not, you can just iron it to cardstock and be solid. So then get yourself some thin ribbon, cut it into a short piece, and glue it onto all of your little holographic vinyl pieces. Then get yourself a long piece of thicker, springy ribbon, and you'll just glue on your little pieces one by one, all your eggs and all your bunnies, spacing them a few inches apart, until you have yourself an entire garland. And when they're laying down, the cardstock ones definitely look better because the other ones are see-through and you just see the red. But when they're hanging, the ones where I iron the 2 pieces of vinyl together I think look a little bit better, but these 2 on the end here are cardstock, so they look fine too. So you've got 2 options and you got your little holographic Easter garland.